Good day, everyone. My name is Jason Timothy Cargaza, and today I will be presenting the activity 4. I'm going to apply all the procedures that I have learned from the previous exercise, which was exercise 4, in the previous video into this activity. So the first thing that we will going to do is to create the customer's report. So to do this, we will go to the create section over here, and then click onto the report wizard. Then over here, we're going to select the customer's table, then select all the available fields, and then click on next. And then over here, we're going to select the customer's name for our grouping levels, and then click on next. And then over here, we are going to select the customer ID for our ascending order. Then click on next again. And then over here, we're going to select the options that has been selected for us, and then click on next again. And then next, we're going to name this table as customer's report. Then click on finish. So over here we are presented with the report from the customer's table into this form. So over here we can see that it has already various options to select from. Either we can print the form itself, change the size and the margins, the orientation of the report, or transfer it to any other type of export that we will go to choose. So next, we can also create another report, which will be the accounts report. So we're going to close this one, then save this one, and then head over to create again, and then click onto the report wizard. So over here, we are going to follow the same procedure that we had made for the customers table, but this time we are going to create a report for the accounts table as stated in the manual file that we are said to create at least 5 running reports. So now we're going to head over to the accounts table, go to select it, and then select all the available fields, and then click on next. Then over here, we are going to select the banking company for our grouping levels, and click on next. And then over here, we can select the balance in the ascending order. And then next, we are presented with an option called the summary options. We're going to select on that. And then over here, we are presented with a box called the summary options, with presenting us with the display such as the field and then the balance. So we're going to select the summary and then click the calculate percent of total for sums. Click on OK, and then click on next. And then over here, we can select the block this time for our layout, and then click on next. And then we are going to name this report as accounts report. Then click on finish. So will be our form, our report rather. So to change, we can also have the opportunity or the option to customize the report to our liking. So to do that, we should head over to the design view, and then over here we can leave more space for the accounts report so that we can show the full information on our display. So we can also change the sum display to the total balance. So to change that, we must first modify the report footer. So we're going to delete all the grand total label or the sum boxes, then create a new text box and then title it as the total balance and create a expression code. So we're going to delete these four boxes first, and then this one as well. Mm. And then we're going to input a new text box. Mm. So this will be our accounts report. So now we're going to apply the same procedure that we had made for the customer support and then the accounts report to the transaction table so that we can create the transaction report. So now let's head over again to the create section and then click on the report wizard and then click onto the transaction table. Then select all available fields and then click on next. And then over here, we are going to click onto the type of transaction for our grouping levels and then click on next. And then over here, we can choose the transaction ID for our ascending order. And then click on the summary options. And then over here, we're going to check the sum again uh, for these summary options. And then click onto the calculate percent of total for sums. And then click on OK. Then click on next. And then um, we're going to choose this time as the layout, the outline for our layout. And then click on next. And then we are going to name this report as transaction report. And click on finish. So this will be our report for the transaction table. So next, we are going to create the customer's account query with the same steps. So first, we are going to the create section again and then click on the report wizard. And then by this time, we are going to select the customer's account query and then select all the available fields. Click on next. And then over here, we're going to select the customer ID and then click on next. And then for our ascending order, we're going to select the type of transaction, type of account transaction, and then click on the summary options. And then we are going, this time we're going to select all the sum for these four fields. And then click on the calculate percent of total for sums, click on OK, click on next. And then over here, we're going to choose the outline again for our layout, reports layout, and then click on next. So this time we're going to name this uh, report as customers account query report, and then click on finish. So this will be our form. So to show the full information in this display boxes, first we're going to close this one and then head over back to the design view and then create more space or area for the display boxes to show their full display of information. Um, yeah, we're going to maximize the boxes so that we can show or we can display the information that is going to present. So let's see to the report view. Uh, so these are the display. So we down now we can see them. And now let's save this one. And now let's going to create the fifth and the last report from the query summary. So now we're going to the create again, and then this time we're going to select the um, query summary, this one, and then click on the report wizard, select all the available fields, and we'll click on next, and then We're going to select the customer ID, then click on OK, next rather. And then we're going to select the progress for our ascending order. Select the summary options again. And then we are going to select just the transaction amount and then the sum of balance for the sum. And then click on check the calculate percent of total for sums. And then click on OK. Then click on next. And then this time we are going to choose the pre-selected options that has given to us. So click on next. And then we're going to title this report as query summary report. Then click on finish. Uh, so this will be our report for our query summary. So that's it for my activity 4. Thank you.